I've got insane news. The Qatar 777 about to come back. That's insane. Insane news I just got. Another airplane is departing. This time it's the A320neo from Eurowings. It was meant to go to Dubai.
But before we actually start, I want to tell you that this is a test video of some sort. It's my first one, so it obviously might not be the best video you will see today. Quality might suck, it won't simply be good, it might not be as you would expect. So if you actually see it, if you are actually here, let me know in the comments what can I improve, what did you like, what did you hate. I'm not keeping you here any longer, let's go straight into the spotting.
Hi everyone, a beautiful welcome here from Dakar. We're on our way to Berlin, so let's go on the spot. Alright, and here we are. Welcome at the spot. Look at this beautiful sunrise right here. Here we got the main camera and the Lumix for recording. This is going to be interesting. Let's see, there's something on the runway. Let's see this takeoff. The first sort of highlight of the day, Swiss A321. Let's go.
If I'm not mistaken, the airplane you are looking at right now was headed out to Dubai, and it is the exact same one that diverted later in the video. Fun fact, the airplane you are looking at right now is a Lufthansa City Airlines A320neo. The airline is relatively new as it began operations in June of 2024. The airline is a part of the Lufthansa group. Not sure why, but I actually couldn't find any recording of me announcing that the main highlight of the day and the airplane that would later be quite an important part of this video is taking off. So here I am to let you know that indeed you're about to watch the beautiful takeoff of the Qatar 777. And so that was the 777. It departed for Qatar, but it actually never arrived there.
Welcome back to the car. Right now we're moving to a different spot to hopefully catch some arrivals right here. We've had the Qatar 777 and because of which we sadly missed the A330 from Turkish Airlines, but you know, you gotta have your priorities. Also, the another Qatar arrival that was supposed to come, which was supposed to be a 787, diverted for some reason back to Doha, so not sure what happened right here.
And yes, did you hear that? Diverted for some reason, and that's where the US attacks on Iran were actually starting. The 787 was bound to Berlin, but as you can see here, it started holding for a while and landed back. The airspace in the Middle East was closed and it couldn't actually get to Berlin, which resulted in it diverting back to the airport it departed from.
So here we are at the spot right here. Here are some standing on some sort of weird but it works, so that's good. Anyways, we got Embraer 190, I believe, coming from Copenhagen.
And here we have LOT, Polish Airlines, my national airline.
Actually got some wind picking up right here. A flight radar shows me 8 knots of wind, so this might be interesting for landings right here. We've just had the A321neo from EasyJet depart, so that's kind of nice, not something you see every day. There's a Eurowings A320 departing right now, so let me show you this one, and the A330 from Turkish Airlines, the one we missed actually, is just about to leave as well, so it's staying interesting. Guys, I've got insane news. The Qatar 777 that has departed like an hour ago or two is right now turning around and it's about to come back. That's insane. That's actually insane. That wasn't on my bucket list for today for sure. So let's see how it develops. There's an A220. I should go take some photos. That was insane, to be honest. I don't know if the camera picked it up just as well as my ears did, but that was just music to my ears. All right, let's wait for the 777, see if it actually lands here. And yes, it's now confirmed. The 777 is going to land on our runway. I'm actually quite excited, but in the same time, I wonder why is it actually diverting. I just hope that everyone is okay right here. If I find out, actually, I will put this somewhere here on the screen. I don't know, there's an EasyJet A320 departing. I don't like EasyJet because it's just coming there all the time. Disapprove. Enough, the situation repeats because as the Qatar 777 was departing, the A330 from Turkish Airlines was actually approaching us. Don't know if you can see it, that's it in the background. And the 777 is coming in as well. But that was a nice landing, nothing, no engines on fire, no nothing. And that seems, the Iran situation seems like the most logical answer. And so the 777 is back. I imagine the situation must be quite annoying for the passengers right here and for the pilots, for the airline as well.
The aircraft is still on the ground at the moment of editing this video. It's been 30 hours since it has landed and it is still not going anywhere.
Insane news I just got. Another airplane is departing back to Berlin, and today this time it's the A320neo from Eurowings. It was meant to go to Dubai and it's diverting, so that's definitely the Iran situation right here.
Let me give you a little bit more details on the whole situation. As I was in Berlin, the United States of America have attacked Iran. That resulted in multiple airspaces being closed, including Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain and Qatar. Hope I pronounced the names of the countries right. The airplanes that were bound to these countries have diverted to their origin airports, like the 777 and the A320neo. I'm not 100% sure, so correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but that's mostly what happened.
This is it, I think, because there's not much more coming, so I guess we'll just head back. What a great day it was today. A lot of surprises, so flights that weren't scheduled but still came here, so yeah, I think we'll head back now.
And so did I. If you've actually made it this far without skipping, then congratulations to you. And at this point I'd like to thank you all for watching, and please again understand that this was my first video, so it probably won't be as good as you would expect it to be. This was mainly focused on the beautiful sunrise and the Iran planes that were diverting. This was not, of course, all of the airplanes that we've spotted, so I might make a part 2 that will be a bit more boring, but just more general airplanes that we've actually seen. So let me know in the comments down below, should I do that? And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all of the YouTube stuff, and I will see you if the next video, if I actually decide to make more. So, see you.